Hi everyone, welcome to LT++. So this is the fourth part of SR and BSR tutorial. Okay, uh, let's see what we have seen or learned in last tutorial. Okay, so we have seen that when UE is running out of PUSH resources, okay, means UE cannot send any uplink data and buffer status report is triggered. Okay, so what you will do, you will first send scheduling request on PUCCH. Okay, and after getting scheduling request from UE side, eNodeB will provide uplink grant, that is PUSH resources. Okay, and you will use those PUSH resources to send the buffer status report. This we have seen. Okay, now let's discuss about a case where our UE is not running out of PUSH resources. Okay, it means it is having PUSH resources. Okay, and suppose BSR is triggered here, means you want to send BSR to eNodeB and it wants to tell eNodeB that this is the amount of data which is available in my buffer. Okay, so as I told you, UE already has PUSH resources. It means UE is sending user plane data in uplink direction. Okay, because PUSH is send means PUSH is used to send user plane data in uplink direction. Okay, but as I told you here, buffer status report has been triggered. Okay, so along with user plane data, UE will also include buffer status report. Okay, so here UE doesn't need to send SR requests, means there is no requirement of sending SR requests here. Okay, you can directly send buffer status report on PUSH. Okay, where UE is sending user plane data. Okay, now in response to this message, eNodeB will again send PDCCH with, if you remember, DCI 0. DCI 0 is used to send uplink grant, uplink resources, or PUSH resources. Okay, so PUSH resources are allocated, right? Allocated PUSH resources to UE. Okay, so UE already has PUSH resources. Now with the help of BSR, network has allocated more PUSH resources. Okay, now using those PUSH resources, UE can send user plane data or buffer data, you can say, in uplink direction. Okay, fine. So here we have seen, means there is no need to send scheduling request. Okay, why? Because UE already has this PUSH resources with it. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm closing this tutorial here. Okay, and in next tutorial we will see the main difference between PUCCH and PUSH, because we could see PUCCH is used to carry control plane data. Okay, whereas PUSH is used to carry both control plane and user plane data. Okay, so this confusion or means this we'll discuss in next tutorial. Okay, thank you.